Hi, everybody. I am Professor Ghiotto, and I am encouraging you to participate and to donate to the expungement fundraiser with the Community Law Clinic. I know many of us, and I know me personally, have been struggling in the past few weeks with the George Floyd murder and the other instances of police abuse and misconduct. And it often feels like there's something to do and nothing that I do matters enough. But everything that we can do matters. The work that the Community Law Clinic and Ashley Campbell and your fellow students are doing does make a difference. It's giving people a second chance to get past what they've done in the past and to make a better life for themselves and their community. I strongly encourage you to contribute whatever you can. Money maybe doesn't feel like you're doing that much, but just think, for the price of the cup of coffee every day that you can't really buy anyways because we should be social distancing, if you take what you spend on coffee every month and put it towards this campaign fund, you could really make a difference in many people's lives and impact our community in ways that we can't even understand. So think about what you can contribute and make a difference and help out the Community Law Clinic and all of their clients and make a difference today. Thank you.